Should have had it. Yeah. Yeah. So
thank you for watching the video.
that's dangerous.
Oh, you clipped that stump at the top?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, it used to be a lot smoother run. This is where Roy did his cartwheel flip.
Stand up, you're getting your butt all dirty.
He got off up at the top. He started too slow. He used to not have that big old rut right in the center.
Yeah, that's that.
Mimi, go around if you have to.
Yeah.
Go on.
You're on the rut. As long as you stay balanced. Right. You can't steer out of it though. But the thing
Are
with
you
this,
still recording?
like I'll come down any line on this hill. You can come down.
Yeah.
Come down off on the side. You go right over the rut.
Are you still
It doesn't even
recording?
feel them.
Yeah, I should.
Thank you. Bye.
But Roy was coming down
Where's my Mimi?
up here too slow, and he got off on the soft stuff here.
And then you're done.
And he tried to steer it back on, and he pushed and pushed, and boom, hits this thing, and it's a stump. So the bike just stopped, and he did a full flip, landed on his back.
I made it.
No
Okay, let's go see the horses. Say goodbye.
Bye. Thank you for watching.
No one was hurt.